Let's talk about AAVE. Some people call it AAVE. I mean, it's a sound. You can make it in whatever manner you want to. It's sitting at $177 right now, and I have covered this coin previously as well. We're going to do a comparison between AAVE and or AAVE between AAVE and Compound, C-O-M-P. They both have same kind of nature. They both are lending platforms. So a contrast between them, comparison is sensible. Of course, they are not the only ones in the market. We have Aerodome and we have some other ones as well in this space. But the thing is, they are small as projects. They are not as big as Comp or AAVE. So it is a more sensible contrast, but I can always go and compare them to anything I want anyway. Now let's go and check when was the last time I covered this coin. Meanwhile, I search. You can let me know that among AAVE and Comp, which one do you like and why? I would be interested in knowing that. So last time we covered this coin on 6th of March. Today is 5th of May, so it's been 2 months. Yeah, it's been 2 months. At that time, we shared a support at 189. It was sitting at 226. 189 was the support. It was sitting in the middle. Upper area was the target was 260. And of course, in 2 months, it went down. It went down. And now we are going to use the previous support area as the target. So 189 is going to be our target. It's sitting at 170 something. So it is kind of in the middle again, but of course our support area is 155. You can call it 150. 55 is harder to remember. 150, as long as it continues to hold 150, we expect it to be on an upward journey towards 189, which is our target. You can call it 190 as well. But at the same time, we cannot let go of the fact that it is stuck in a rising channel. And this rising channel that you see, this is a bearish structure. 70% of the times it goes down. Now, minimum deliverance would take this coin to 150. But if it does a full deliverance, of course, this thing is going to bleed hard and it is going to go back to where it was previously, which is $110. So if this structure does full deliverance, it will go back to its starting price. But if it does its minimum deliverance, it should stop here. Now 150 makes sense from so many perspectives. It is also the neckline of this double bottom. And of course, it is our support area from the perspective of T as well. So from both angles, this area should continue to hold unless we want to start a bearish journey. And that's pretty much it with AAVE. There is nothing else to add. Until and unless we don't lose the area of 150 for more than 2 days, there is no downward journey. Now let's look at AAVE's performance in 7 days. In 7 days, it is up by 5.78%. I think so far in all the coins I've covered today, this is the greenest I have seen so far. Now let's look at Comp, which is the competitor, not the name of the coin. Name is Compound. In 7 days, it is down by 7.6%. So of course, AAVE beats the shit out of it because AAVE is going positive. This one is going negative. And now let's look at its technical analysis. Okay. So right now it's sitting at $39, 39.29. I don't recall covering this coin this year at all, and I hardly think I've covered this thing previously. So we are straight going to go and talk about its TA right away. So this coin has a support at 39, exactly where it is sitting right now. This is its bread and butter. Losing this would shoot it down towards the area of 30, and it is only going to get really bearish from there. But as long as this continues to hold, our first target is going to be $46, and Comp is really trying its best again and again and again to hold on to this. This is a triple top structure. It's a bearish structure. If it breaks, it is going to go towards $30 100%. If it doesn't break 39, it doesn't go below it for more than 2 days, there is no downward journey. You should rather expect Comp to go up and hit the area of $46. And that's pretty much it with Comp and AAVE coin. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.